In this quick video, I'll show you how to save WhatsApp audio. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So I just received these voice messages from my friend and I want to download them. So for that, firstly we need to go back and enable one settings in our WhatsApp. So to access settings, click on the three dots which are available on top right corner. Click on it. After that, go to settings and then scroll down here until you find storage and data. So this is storage and data. I just need to tap on it. After that, you can see we need to change one setting from here. First is when using mobile data, we need to click on it and then enable audio from here. Click on OK. Now it's time to change setting of connected on Wi-Fi. Click on it, then enable audio from here as well and then click on OK. Now we need to access the voice messages in our mobile. For that, go to home screen of your mobile and open File Manager app in your phone and then go to phone storage. So this is phone storage. I need to open it. Then access WhatsApp folder in your mobile phone storage. So this is WhatsApp folder. I need to go on it. Then go to media. Then click on WhatsApp audio folder. Now you will find all the voice messages from your chats in this folder and you can access them and you can also copy them and put them into another folder. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.